Hello and welcome to our Python tutorial series. Today we are going to start with the basics and introduce you to Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is designed to be easy to read while still being very powerful, which makes it is a great language for beginners. Here is an example of how simple Python code looks like. Running this code will output the text "Hello World" to the console. So, why should you learn Python? Well, Python is a versatile language widely used in various domains like web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. It has a large community, which means plenty of resources and tools are available to help you along your learning journey. Let's get Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from the official website python.org. Make sure to download the latest version. Once the installer is downloaded, run it and follow the instructions. Remember to check the box that says Add Python to Path before you click Install Now. Once Python is installed, you can use the Python interpreter to run your Python code. You can access the Python interpreter by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing Python. This will open the Python interpreter where you can write and execute Python code directly. Here is an example. This is how you can interact with Python directly using the interpreter. That's it for this introduction. In the next video, we will start writing some Python code. Thanks for watching and happy coding.